Say Selenium class 17 Web Elements and Element Locators. Web Elements and Element Locators. See, in this chapter we are going to discuss two topics. First topic, general topic, Web Elements. Web Elements. Second topic, Element Locators. Element Locators. Okay. First, Web Elements. Web Elements. Say, major challenge in functional test automation is object identification. If tool can identify the objects, then automation is, if tool identifies objects, then automation is very simple. Major challenge in functional test automation, object identification, or in Selenium terminology, locating elements, recognizing elements. Okay. Say we have some web elements, important web elements. Can you tell me, Kamala, web elements? Give some examples for web elements. See. Say UFT, formerly QTP point of view, UFT point of view, browser is object, page is object, link is object. But Selenium point of view, browser is not element. Browser, using driver object, we can handle browsers and pages using driver object. For remaining elements, WebDriver commands or methods available. For handling remaining web elements, we have WebDriver commands or WebDriver methods available. But for handling browser and page, driver object is enough. Using driver object, we can handle browser and page elements. For remaining elements, we have to use WebDriver commands or methods. Okay. Preeti Joshi, can you tell me some examples for web elements? Srivalli.
Browser and page. Link.
Link. Continue, Srivalli.
Buttons.
Button.
Text box.
Drop down list.
Drop down list. Okay.
Radio button.
Radio button. Checkbox.
Checkbox.
Combo box, etc. Okay. See, important web elements. Edit box. Next, powerful object in the web, link. Next, button. Next, image. Image has three flavors: general image, image link. Next, image button. Image button. Next, text area. Text area. Checkbox. Checkbox. Next, radio button. Radio button. Next, drop down box. Drop down box. Next, list box, next combo box, list box, combo box, next web table, or you can say HTML table, web table or HTML table, next frame, web frame. See, these are the important elements in web environment. Okay, na Tushar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will.
Yes, what is meaning of the frame?
Pardon?
What is meaning of the frame?
I am going to explain one by one.
Okay, okay.
Important
Thank you.
operations on every element. This is general topic. This knowledge is added advantage for any functional test automation, any tool. If it is UFT or RFT or linkText or Selenium, this knowledge is fundamental knowledge. Okay. Say general topic. First, operations. Operations on browser. Sri Lakshmi, can you hear me? Sri Lakshmi, still you have problem? Okay. Rahman,
Yes, sir.
operations on browser. Forget about automation tools. Manual operations. What type of manual operations we perform on browser? Suppose launch browser. This is one operation. Navigate to
URL.
Navigate to particular URL or specified URL. Navigate to. What is click, Kamala? What is click? You typed click now. What is click operation? Any click operation on browser object? Kamala, respond. No, Rahman, our question is different. She told click is one operation on browser object, but where we use click operation? See, launch browser, navigate to specified URL, next,
Close browser.
Yes. Close browser. Continue, Preeti. Close browser. Next, close all opened. See, close focused browser. Next, close all opened browsers. Next, navigate from one URL to another. Manual operations. You forget about test automation tools. What manual operations we perform regularly on browser? Navigate from one URL to another. Srivalli.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Next, navigate back also. Navigate navigate back,
home page,
navigate forward, navigate forward. Next, refresh the browser, refresh. Next, minimize, maximize, minimize, maximize. Browser, etc. These are the important operations on browser object. Browser. Next, page. See, in our Selenium, browser and page related, using driver object, browser driver object only we handle browser and pages. Here pages, important operations on pages. Srivalli, get page title, get page title. Manually you can get the title. Otherwise, using tool also. Observe. What is the page title? Srivalli.
Google.
Google. Just a minute. For example, observe page title. Yeah, hona this time.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Say get page title, get page source, HTML source. Right click, view page source. Get page source. Anything else, Kamala? Get page URL. Get page URL, etc. Next, operations on edit box. Rahman, contribute. Operations on edit box.
Enter some value in edit box.
See, regular operation, enter some value. This is a regular operation on edit boxes. Save is different. We cannot use edit box for save. Save option is different. That is another object. Enter a value. Next, clear the value. Clear the value means remove the value. Sometimes we remove the values na. Suppose if you type mistakenly something, you can remove that value. Remove the value or clear the value. Next, check enabled status. Enabled status. Edit box is enabled or not. Next, check the existence. Before first existence sequence. Next, okay. Next, get the value. Sometimes we capture edit box value. Get the value. Suppose value already there in edit box. Capture edit box and compare with expected. Sometimes capturing value also required. Get the value, etc. Next, powerful object in the web. Link. Krishna Chaitanya, what are the important operations on link object?
Clicking.
Click link. Okay, click. That is a
Get the
regular
link into
operation. Next, same. Check the existence and display status. Check the display status means existence only. Check existence and enabled status. Enabled or not. Next, return link name. Etc. Next, Tushar, operations on image. Operations on image. See, already I told, image has 3 flavors. First one, general image. Any functionality for general image?
Check the existence.
Check the existence. Okay.
We can check the
enabled or disabled status. Check the existence, enabled or disabled status. Next, some images may enlarge, some only general images. Next, image button. Submits. Primary operation submits. Image button. Next, image link. Primary operation redirects to another page. Functionality means click operation. Operation click. Functionality redirects to another page or location. Okay, anyhow, handling elements chapter, I will show practical examples for handling all types of web elements. Handling elements that we will discuss day after tomorrow, means Monday. I will explain handling elements in Selenium. Handling elements. Now, just I am providing brief introduction about web elements and element locators. Okay. See, I will show general image. Just a minute. General image. General image. What type of this one? Where is the type? Observe title Google HP logo. Observe Kamala. What is this one? What type of object? Google India. Pardon? What type of object? Image na?
Yes, sir.
This is general image. No functionality. No functionality. Next. Just a minute. Image button. Mercury Tours. Observe Preeti, the sign in button. After entering username password, click sign in button. What is the sign in button? Just a minute. Show. Observe Preeti. What is the type of object?
Image.
Image, but image button na. Here operation is button. Submit na. Here what is the functionality of this image? Click operation.
Submit or click.
This is image button. Next, image link. Image link. Image link. Observe Selenium IDE. Srivalli, Selenium IDE. Here one image is there na, SE.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Click this image. Redirecting to another page na.
Yes, sir.
This is image link. Okay, 3 flavors: image, general image, image button, image link. Any confusion, Kamala? Next, operations on checkbox. Rahman, operations on checkbox.
Yes, sir.
It's
like calendar box.
Checkbox. We have checkbox example. Calendar box. What is calendar box? I want checkbox. Just a minute. Just a minute, I will show. Here checkbox is available na?
Yes, selector.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Select, unselect. Primary operation, select. Okay, before that you can check the displayed status. Check if the checkbox is displayed or not. Next,
Uncheck.
check if the checkbox is enabled or not. Sometimes objects in disabled state. Enabled or not. Next, selected, selection, select checkbox. Select. Next, Preeti, select, unselect also na.
Yes, sir.
Select, unselect. These are the important operations on checkbox element. Next, operations on radio button. Just a minute. Just a minute. One operations on image. Okay. Button we forgot na. General button. Push button. Operations on button. Continue, Kamala. Primary operation, click. Next,
Save.
check enabled status
Or disable.
or enabled or disabled.
Yeah,
Next, check displayed status. etc. Primary operation, click. Next, operations on text area. Text area. What is text area? Just I will show an example. Text area. Observe Srivalli. One account, all of Google. What is this one?
By using this username and password, you can
No.
access.
Forget about remaining things. This is
Oh, text area.
text area.
Yeah.
No
Text area.
functionality, na?
Yeah,
This is text area.
just text. Display text.
What is this? Please enter email.
Test message.
This is message, error message. Okay, this is also text, na?
Yes.
See. But need help. This is not text.
It's a
It is a link.
by link.
It is a link. By click, it redirects. It is a link. Next, create account. It is a link. Next, one Google account for everything Google.
Text message. Text area.
Text area. See here, text area. Important operation. Written. Sometimes we need to capture text area and compare with expected. Capture error message and compare with expected. Written or capture text area. This is the important operation. Next, radio button.
Sir,
Ah,
text area and text message is the same thing, right?
message or area same. See,
Okay.
different flavors of text area. See, just a minute. Different flavors of text area. Some are constant messages. Constant messages. Some are error messages. See one account, all of Google. This is constant, na? Fixed, na?
Yes, sir.
Next, what about this? Please enter your email. This is not fixed. Based on user operation, sometimes it appears. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Text area. Next, I will show one more text area. Observe. Suppose Naukri.com. Just a minute. Just a minute. Observe Madhavi. This is key skills available, na? What is this object? What is this object? What is this object? Observe this one.
Is it text area?
Yes, text area. This is also text area. But here you can enter value, na? This is blank. You can
Yes,
enter. You can enter. User can enter values. This is also text area. This is not edit box. Here no limitations. You can enter any values. Suppose numbers, special characters, no restrictions. But character limitation is there. Okay, na text area, different flavors.
How to find difference between text area and edit box?
Edit box. What is the purpose of edit box?
To enter value?
To enter particular value na, that username or password or mobile number or specified data na.
Okay.
But text area is different. You can write sentences. Edit box is not like that. But anyhow, you no need to differentiate edit box and text area. Based on your application functionality, you can follow. Operations on radio button. Continue, Srivalli. Radio button.
Selected or not existence and selected or not.
First, okay. Primary operation. What is the primary operation? Select. Select is primary operation. Select radio button. Next, here also you can check the existence. Next, check the enabled status. Next, verify if the radio button is selected or not. Verify if the radio button is selected or not. What about unselect, Srivalli? What about unselect?
At a time,
if you select another radio button, it will unselect automatically. You no need to perform operations on this one. But checkbox not like that. You can select one or more checkboxes. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute. gcrit.com/build3. Just a minute. Create an account. Here observe male, female radio buttons. Select male. Now male radio button is selected. Next, if you want to unselect this radio button, unselect.
You have to select female. Select
select another radio button in this radio group. But checkbox is not like that. Checkbox. Suppose second checkbox selected. If you want to unselect this one,
you have to check it again.
Check it again. Yes, radio button, checkbox different. Okay. Next, operations on drop down box. Operations on drop down box. See similar objects, drop down box, list box, combo box. Some difference is there. First, drop down box. Same. Check the existence, enabled status. Next, primary operation. Primary operation. Kamala, primary operation on drop down.
You have to select one entity out of.
Yes, select an item. Select an item. Next, items count. See, these are the important operations. Next, list box is there. Srivalli, list box. What is the difference between drop down box and list box?
From a list box, we can select one or more items.
Yes, select one or more items. You can select multiple items also. One or more items. Any other remaining?
Same. Items count.
Items count. Next, enabled status existence common. Next, one more similar element, combo box. Combo box, Tushar. Combo box. Krishna Chaitanya. Continue, Tushar.
Select more than one option.
Select more than one option. Is it available? Combo box means Srivalli. Combo box means combination of
List box and drop down box.
Drop down
And check box. No.
Drop down and Kamala. Drop down and
List box.
list.
No.
Can you select multiple items from combo box?
No, sir. Radio button.
Radio button is entire different na. Combo box. Combo. Here two different functionalities. But nowadays web developers are rarely using this combo box. Or you can say edit or text box. Observe Srivalli, functionality of combo box. Suppose cities combo box available. Cities information. You can select any one item from available list. Otherwise, suppose your city not available in that items list.
You can type.
Enter your city and your city name.
Yes,
but in drop down box, list box, no such type of facility, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay, cool. If it is drop down box, we have to select any one item from available items only. If it is list box, you have to select one or more items from available list only. If it is combo box, you can select any one item from available items. Otherwise, you can type your own item. Okay. Here, what are the important operations? See, select.
Sir, can you please give the example for combo box?
Okay, later we will discuss that one. Only operations.
Okay.
Items. Just know the functionality. Now you can differentiate these three, Preeti. Can you differentiate these three? Drop down box, list box, combo box.
Yeah, I have question regarding the combo box.
Combo box, just know the functionality. Later we will discuss. Drop down and text box means you can select item from available items list. Otherwise, you can enter your own item. Select an item. Next, continue. Select an item.
Edit the item. Edit.
Edit. You cannot edit existing items. You can enter new value.
Okay.
Enter an item. Next, remaining existence status, display status, common. Next, operations on WebTable. Operations on WebTable, or you can say HTML table. HTML table. Observe Preeti, this one. No functionality. What is this one? What is this element? Selected one.
Table.
Web table or HTML table. Here important operations. Get cell value. Cell value. Suppose I want to get this one. Jackson. Get cell value. Next, rows count. Next, cells count, etc. Next, operations. I think earlier Preeti asked. Operations on frame. What is frame? What is frame, Preeti? You tell me. Portion of HTML page. Hello?
Yeah, I don't know, sir. That's why I asked you that question.
I will show example. Portion of HTML page. Observe this Google home page. How many portions or parts available in this Google page? Only top window. Only one HTML page. Suppose Selenium.
HTML page.
Pardon? Documentation. Download. See Java doc. Now observe Preeti. Here how many portions available in this web page? Kamala. One. This is one. Here some links available. Left side top one. Left side bottom one. Next right side one.
Sir.
Three portions. These three are frames.
Yes.
Okay.
These three are
Okay.
frames. Just a minute.
4, 5.
Three frames. Where is that one? Just a minute. Observe Srivalli. Total how many HTML pages available?
4, sir.
4. One is top window. Remaining 3 frames.
Yeah.
One is top window. Top window means main page. In that main page, 3 frames. Observe, first one is frame, the selected one, top window, frame, frame. Okay, na? Preeti, did you understand this frame concept?
Yes, sir.
Frame is portion, part of web page.
Okay.
Some pages may have frames. Some pages only top window. Observe. Suppose Google Home. Here, how many frames?
There is no any frames.
No frame. Only top window. Only top window. Next, just a minute. Earlier one. See, observe. Here in every frame you can find elements, na?
Right, sir.
See, suppose in this right side frame, click this one. Functionality is there. Suppose left side, all classes. Functionality is there. Functionality is there. These are frames. What are the important operations on frame? See, anyhow, in handling elements chapter, I will explain with examples. Now just get brief idea. Switch from top window to a frame. Switch from top window to a frame. Next, switch from a frame to top window. Frame to top window. See, anyhow, in element handling chapter, I will explain. See, this is about operations on web elements. Operations on web elements. See, Krishna Chaitanya, any queries? Operations on web elements. Just I have provided theoretical approach only. In practical chapter, I will show examples.
Okay, sir.
Next, second topic in this chapter, element locators. First chapter, general topic. This is element locators related to Selenium. This is also general but related to Selenium. Okay. Element locators. What is locator? Locator is an address that identifies a web element uniquely within the web page. See. What is? Observe, Kamala, in UFT also object identification same na, but terminology different.
Yeah.
You recollect descriptive programming. In the descriptive programming, we use object property values na.
Yes, sir.
Object property value. Here element locator value.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Before this, in UFT,
Yes,
object property,
Properties.
one or more. Next, value.
Values.
Object property value. Object is something which has structure and properties.
Properties.
Property means it is an attribute of the object which describes the object. Suppose object is page. Property is title. Value is Google. In Selenium terminology, element, locator, value. Suppose element edit box, element is edit box, locator is name, value is email. Just a minute. Just a minute. This is enter your email. This is edit box. Element. Show that one. HTML. Observe Preeti. Element edit box. Element edit box. Locator is, for example, name. What is the value?
Email.
Email. Using this element locator, we can recognize that object. Say in UFT, object property value, say in UFT, formerly QTP, object property value, in Selenium, element locator value. Next, what is locator? What is locator? See, it is an address. See, locator is an address that identifies a web element uniquely within the web page. See, it is an address that identifies a web element uniquely within the web page. Rahman, for example, man is object or element. Just example, general. Suppose man is object. Use some properties for man object.
Hand, head, eye,
Yes.
nose.
Name is one property. Surname. Next, height, color, weight, etc. Same way, software objects also. Next, Selenium WebDriver uses 8 element locators, but all element locators not required. You can use any one unique locator. Say, Selenium supports 8 element locators. To recognize elements. What are the 8 locators? ID, name, say small letters, sensitive, class name, N capital. Next, tag name. Next, link text. This is only for link objects. Next, partial L capital, T capital, partial link text, next cssSelector, next xpath. These are the 8 element locators to find 8 element locators to find elements on web pages. Elements on web pages. Can you tell me, Srivalli, what are the 8 element locators that Selenium
ID,
WebDriver supports? ID,
name,
name,
className,
ah,
tagName,
ah,
linkText,
ah,
partialLinkText,
ah,
cssSelector,
ah.
xpath.
Okay, good. See, I will show one example for each element in element handling chapter. I will show more examples. See, in this topic, I will show one example for each element in handling elements in Selenium chapter. We will discuss more examples. Okay. See, first, why we need to use different locators? Suppose we already told any one unique locator is sufficient to recognize element. Then why we need to use different locators? Why 8 locators? See, why we need to use different locators? See, first reason, developers may not provide all locators for all elements. See, actually that is not web design standard also. No need to provide all locators. Developers may not provide all locators for all elements. Just a minute. See, Preeti, for inspecting elements in Firefox browser, we need to download and install 2 plugins. What are the 2 plugins?
Firebug and Firepath.
Firepath. See, Firepath also integrated with this one. After installation, Firepath available. See, this is Firebug, Firepath, Firepath. Just a minute. Show this Google search button. Google search button. Observe Kamala. Observe the locate the name locator. Name is available.
No, sir. I didn't see the name.
Name not available. See, for all elements, developers generally developers won't provide all locators for all elements. Only some locators. That is one reason. Next, sometimes some locators may be duplicated. Some locators may be duplicated. So we need to select any one unique locator for recognizing the element. We no need to use all locators for any element. All locators. Next, how to inspect elements. You know how to inspect elements. Say using Firebug and firepath. Firepath for getting cssSelector value and xpath value. Firebug and firepath plugins or add-ons. Using Firebug and firepath plugins, we can inspect elements. We can inspect elements in Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox. If it is Internet Explorer or Chrome, Preeti. If it is Google Chrome.
Yeah, they are having a developer tool.
We no need to install anything. They have, no need to install. Any plugin. They have developer tools. Shortcut key F12.
Sir, they have built-in developer tools, sir.
Yes, they have built-in developer tools only.
If you mentioned, right, the some, can you please show the screen? Notepad. Yeah, you mentioned over here some locators may be duplicated. So if duplicate, then how we will recognize that which we should select?
You select. Suppose name is duplicate or tag name is duplicate, then you select another locator. You go for another locator. Why you need to select a duplicate locator? Just a minute. Suppose just a minute. Observe Preeti. You asked a good question. Observe. This is second checkbox. What is the name value?
It is showing check.
CHK na?
Yes.
Next show sixth one.
It is also showing the same CHK.
Fifth one, fourth one, first one, third one, all are names same na?
Right, sir.
For this object, for these elements, name locator is duplicate na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want to check second checkbox. If I use name value CHK, duplicate.
Yes.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
That time we have to go for another locator.
So which one is the another locator? That
we will discuss element handling Selenium chapter. Suppose
okay.
Just a minute. Fire you try to use xpath. Just a minute. Suppose second one. What is the xpath value? Observe that xpath value. Observe Preeti, xpath value.
Input 2.
Input 2 na. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next one, fourth. I selected fourth one.
Yeah, it is input 4 now.
Next, first one, input 1 na.
Yes, sir.
You can use xpath locator for this for these checkboxes na, unique na.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No.
Okay.
Now I'm good.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. See, if it is Google Chrome or IE, built-in developer tools available. Next, one more thing. Element locators are common for all browsers. See, note. Element locators are common for all browsers. All browsers means Mozilla, Firefox, or Chrome, or IE, etc. I will show one example for each element. Next, we will discuss some more examples in element handling in element handling in Selenium chapter. Elements handling in Selenium. In that chapter, we will discuss all operations on every element. In this chapter, I will show one example for each element. See, first one, ID. Syntax example. Syntax. Just a minute. Launch Eclipse. Create driver object, Rahman. Create Mozilla Firefox driver object in WebDriver interface. WebDriver
space driver.
Just a minute. Sensitive. Space driver equal to
new space Firefox driver. Open and close parenthesis, semicolon.
Next, import
WebDriver.
Next, import Firefox driver. Okay, now imported. Just a minute. Here, ID element locator syntax. Observe, Kamala. By, what is by? I will explain. By dot ID of ID value. This one. Example. Open this one. Gmail page. Next, I want to operate this edit box. Driver dot, it is a problem, driver dot find element. Forget about find element. This is WebDriver command or method that we will discuss tomorrow. Now only focus on element locators. Don't focus on WebDriver commands. By dot id of id value. By dot id value. Take the id value using element using Firebug. ID value, Srivalli. What is the ID value for this edit box?
Email.
Email. Email. Email. This is about recognizing object. Recognizing object. Suppose perform operation on object. That is different. Okay, I will show that one. You don't concentrate on these methods. Dot by dot id. Why it is showing error? By dot id of email.
Semicolon, sir. At the end, yeah.
Not completed.
Okay.
Send keys. Suppose for some value India. Now observe object is recognizing or not. We need to get that one now. Driver dot get. Just a minute. gmail.com. Just run observe Rahman. Entered na that value, India value entered na.
Yes, sir.
Now you can easily observe this locator is identifying this one. Okay. Here driver. Observe Krishna Chaitanya. What is this driver?
Object.
Driver is object. Browser object. Next, find element.
Method.
This is WebDriver. WebDriver method, or you can say command, as per Selenium HQ documentation. Next, Kamala, what is this by?
Class, sir.
class. See, already imported na class also.
Yes, sir.
By is class, predefined class. Next, Preeti, ID. What is this ID? Observe this syntax. Observe this example. In this example, what is that ID?
It is email.
Driver is object, find element is method, by is class, ID is
Method.
Hmm.
Property. Property.
Okay. Locator. Locator. Next, what is this email, Tushar?
That's the value, sir.
Value. Good. This is value. Okay, now this syntax, Preeti. Driver dot find element of by dot ID of email.
Yes, sir.
Next, name. Next, I will show one more method also. One more syntax. One more syntax. See, instead of this statement, one more syntax available. Web element, next element. You can use any meaningful name. Element equal to driver dot find element of by dot ID of email. See, in this email, selected one, web element email, you can use any name, any meaningful name, ABCD, XYZ, semicolon. Next, import this web element. Okay. Next, you can perform operations directly on this web element. Email dot send keys of London run. See, launching. Observe, Preeti, data entered na, London value entered na.
Yes, sir.
See, two types of syntaxes. Find the difference and advantages. Just a minute. Here we use two different syntaxes. This is one syntax, or this is another syntax. See, when we go for second syntax, just guess, Sri Lakshmi, when we go for second syntax, which one is easier to use, easy to use? First syntax or second syntax? Not responding. Krishna Chaitanya, which one is easy to use? First syntax or second? First one. But second one also useful. When we choose second syntax, just guess. Suppose if you want to perform multiple operations on same element, multiple operations on any element, you go for this syntax. You can just use, suppose, email dot send keys, next email dot clear, after some statements. If you want to clear that one, you can clear. Next email dot some other operation. Just a minute, run this one. Observe Preeti, first enter, then clear. Enter. Oh, again entered now. Comment last one. Observe. Cleared now. Observe Preeti.
Yes, sir.
Kamala, when we choose second syntax, say for first syntax also you can use, suppose I want to perform two operations. You have to write entire this one. Suppose dot, what is that method? Clear.
Email.
Just a minute. Clear. Observe first two statements, second two statements, purpose same na.
Same, sir.
What is the purpose? First enter value, then clear the value. In the second syntax also same. First enter value, then clear the value. Then what is the difference between first usage and second usage? Whenever you want to perform multiple operations on any element, you select second syntax. You can just type email send keys, email dot clear, email dot some other operation, email dot some other operation. But if you use first syntax, you need to write entire statement, recognizing the object and perform operation on that object, recognizing the object and perform operation on that object. If you select web element, just using that element dot operation, next element dot operation, element dot operation. Okay na Preeti, any confusion?
No, sir.
When we choose second you say second syntax?
When we do multiple operations on same element.
Good. Whenever we want to perform multiple operations on any element, then choose second syntax. Okay. Next, second one, name.
Sir?
It
means on the first you mentioned, right? The first one, first method. So on this first method, we just operate once only, right?
Not once. You can use second time also. You need to write complete sentence.
Okay.
Complete statement. Just a minute. Complete statement. This time you comment this one. Run. Entered and cleared na? What is the problem?
Yes, sir.
What is the problem?
No problem.
Okay. Next, name. Name. Same. Syntax. Syntax. By dot name of within double quotes value. Value. Example. Example. Instead of in this scenario, just a minute. In this scenario, instead of ID, use name locator for email edit box. Name locator. What is the name value, Kamala?
Name value. Email.
Email only.
Yeah.
See, sometimes IDs and names same, sometimes different. Name. Run. See, value entered. See, same. These two syntaxes can be used for name locator also. Next, class name. Class name. N capital. See, syntax. See, syntax almost all same. By dot class name of value. Class name value. Class name value. Example. Example. Just a minute. Suppose I want to operate this web page. I will send these pages also, local pages. I want to operate this edit box. Edit box. For this edit box, class also there. Class name. What is the class name value? Kamala.
Sir, class text box color.
Text box color. Just a minute. By dot class name text box color. Run. Observe Kamala. Data entered na.
Sir.
This
So,
type.
so dot send means that particular value assigned to whatever the values dot send, and that value is going to assign to particular class, right, sir? That selected class.
I'm not getting you. What value?
Whatever that value, value column value.
What is value here? India, na?
India. Yes, sir. That value is going to assign to
not
corresponding.
Assigning is different. Enters.
Enters.
Yeah. Enters the value. Using this send keys method. You don't concentrate on this one. Already I told. We will discuss WebDriver commands or methods in tomorrow class.
Yeah.
Not assigning. Assigning is different. This is just assigning means assigning. Suppose we assign values to variables.
Yes, sir.
That is different. Here we are not assigning the value, just entering the value.
Entering the value.
Tell me, continue.
Now I got it, sir.
Okay, cool.
Sir. Thank you.
Welcome. See, this time I used class name. Next, tag name. N capital letter. See, syntax. Syntax common. By dot tag name of tag name value. Tag name value. Example. By dot tag name value. Example. Suppose input. Just a minute. Oh. We didn't use close method. Launch Firebug. I want to use tag name for the same element. Observe, Rahman, what is the tag name for this? What is the tag name for this edit box? Pardon?
I don't see.
Observe this blue color area in the bottom of the page. What is this input? Input is there now?
Yes, sir. Input ID username.
Yes. ID is different. ID another locator. Input. Input is tag name na?
Okay.
This tag name is input. For any other, just a minute. To try to use input tag name for this element. Input locator.
Sir, how we will, sir? How we can recognize that that is the input is the tag name?
See, here symbols are there now, open, less than, greater than.
Yeah.
Observe this one, selected one. Observe my, can you observe my mouse pointer?
Yes, sir.
What is this tag name?
Item 2.
TR. ID is item 2. This tag name, what is this tag name?
TR.
TR. What is this tag name?
TD.
Input here.
Observe. Oh yeah, that.
See, after symbols are there na, less than symbol. After less than symbol, one value is there na.
Yes, sir.
That is the tag name.
Okay.
That is the tag name. Observe this one. Here, what is the tag name? Observe my mouse pointer.
Table.
Table. That is the tag name. After less than symbol, that is the tag name. Here, it won't provide tag name equal to something. After that less than symbol, whatever value is there, that is the tag name. For remaining ID, for ID equal to username, class equal to some value, type equal to text, name equal to username. But tag name is not like that. After less than symbol, whatever value is there, that is the tag name. Okay na?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. See, what is the tag name value? Input. Observe Kamala. Entering na data.
Sir.
And one more, you observe Srivalli. One more thing. Show this one. First edit box, yellow color edit box. What is the tag name for this edit box?
Input.
Next, second edit box. What is the tag name?
Input.
Next, third edit box. Here no edit box. For this one also. First edit box input, second edit box also input na.
Yes, right, sir.
Then it is duplicate na. Tag name duplicate na.
Yes, sir.
But one facility is there for tag name. That facility is, if you use tag name, then it locates first element. Here two elements having same tag names. Which one is the first one? Top left to bottom right. First one, this yellow color edit box na.
Yes, sir.
That's why it recognizing first one. Suppose if you want to operate second edit box, for that tag name is not suitable, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You can choose another locator. For example, xpath. Check the xpath. Xpath for this email. This password edit box. Pass space word.
Or we can identify with name, sir.
With the name. Okay, you can try. Suppose, for example, xpath is unique na.
Yes, sir.
Next, you asked the name na. Okay, just
name is also unique.
Name.
I mean,
you try. No problem. Name. What is name? Username. Next one.
Password.
Observe. Password. What about ID?
ID is also different.
ID also unique na?
Yes, sir.
For this edit box, you can use either ID or name or xpath. But tag name is not suitable. Okay. Okay, na Preeti, understand this concept?
Yes, sir.
For first edit box, tag name suitable. Next, linkText. Say this linkText locator only for text links. Suppose I want to operate this Gmail link. Link text visible. Link text, you no need to use any plugin for locating that value. Link text is visible. You no need to inspect. Just a minute. Link text. Link text is suppose Google Home. Here Gmail link is there. Link text visible na? Krishna Chaitanya. What is the link text value? Gmail. So no need to inspect. Just a minute. Link text. See, by dot link text of Gmail. Link text value Gmail. Operation dot click. Run the program. Observe Kamala clicked on that Gmail link na.
Sir.
First launching Google homepage, then click on Gmail link. This time we used a link text locator for text link. See, this link text locator is not suitable for edit box and button, etc. na?
Yes, sir.
Next, syntax common. Syntax. What is syntax? By dot link text of value. Link text value. Next, partial link text. Partial link text. See, you can use part of the link text. Suppose instead of Gmail, GMA. Observe Krishna Chaitanya. This is part of that link text na. Partial link text na.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Run the program. Change the locator. Partial link text. L capital. See, this time I'm using partial link text to recognize that link object or element. See, clicked. Okay, na Preeti?
Yes, sir.
Partial link text. But this link text and partial link text only for text links na. Here also syntax same. Syntax partial link text. Next, cssSelector. Same. By dot cssSelector, S capital letter, value. Example, say cssSelector. Open that Google homepage. Suppose I want to click this link using cssSelector. XPath, here CSS is there na. FirePath, XPath. Just a minute. Show the Gmail. Here. Observe Srivalli. Here CSS option is there na under
Yes,
XPath. This one. You try to use this selector. CSS selector. How to get CSS selector? How to get CSS selector, Preeti? See FirePath. Here XPath CSS available. Select CSS.
But we have CSS on the side of the HTML too.
That is different. Here, this is only CSS selector.
Okay.
Run. Observe Kamala. Clicked on that Gmail link na.
Yes, sir.
This time we used CSS selector.
Yeah.
Next, last one, XPath. XPath. What is XPath? Have any idea, Srivalli? What is XPath?
no, sir.
XPath in XML document shows the direction of software web application element. See, XPath in XML document shows you can get XY coordinates of elements also using XPath, that we will discuss later. Just I am going to use XPath for recognizing the element. Shows the direction of element location. XPath in XML document shows the direction of web application element location. Web applications element location. See, most of the time XPath is unique. If you are not able to recognize any object using name, ID or other locators, finally you can try with XPath. Most of the time XPath is unique. Only in some rare scenarios XPath also duplicate. That is very rare. See, you try to use XPath. xpath. Suppose I want to click on the same link. How to get xpath, Preeti? Tell me. Get xpath for this Gmail element. Rahman. Get xpath value for this Gmail element.
Click Firebug.
Launch Firebug.
Launch Firebug. Okay.
Next.
Firefox.
You take this mouse pointer and show the element. Here select
xpath.
xpath.
On the drop down.
Just
now you need to select. Yes, come.
Now selected na. Now provided na this value.
Yes, sir.
You take this value and place. Just a minute. Run the program. Launching Gmail homepage. Clicking on that link. Observe Kamala. Click it na. See, this time I used xpath locator. See, syntax common. What is the syntax? By dot id of by dot xpath of xpath value example. Okay, we have one more chapter called element locators, handling elements in Selenium. In that chapter I will show different examples. Handling elements in Selenium. I think that we will discuss in on Monday. Okay, any queries? I am going to close the session, Srivalli.
I have a question,
No, sir.
sir.
I am good, sir.
Just a minute. First, Srivalli.
I am good, sir.
Okay, Krishna Chaitanya.
Can you explain that web element email equal to driver? Can you show the program? I know the purpose of that line, but I just wanted to know what it does.
Which one? Line number?
Web element 13.
13. Just a minute. 13. Observe.
Web element is a class.
Web element is a built-in class. Email is element name. You can use any name. Instead of email, you can use ABCD also. What we are going to do this one? We are recognize the object using find element command and storing that reference to this email. This is web element. If you want to perform multiple operations on this element, you can directly use this element dot operation. Otherwise, you need to write entire code. First recognizing the object, then performing operation. Just a minute. Full form, take this one. Where I told here. You observe this one. You asked this this line na?
Yes, sir.
What is this web element?
Class.
Built-in class for creating this one web element. What is this email?
It's like a
element.
variable.
Element, not variable. This is element. You can use any name. What is this selected statement?
It's
recognizing that element na, email element na.
Yeah.
recognizing the element. Recognizing the element and storing that reference to this email.
Okay.
Next, whenever you want to recognize the element, you no need to use this entire statement. You just use email. Why? This email means, in this scenario, this email means this element. See, recognizing the element and storing the reference, then you can use that element directly. Element. Now observe, the selected email means
it's a reference for the driver email.
Reference for this recognizing that element. Then you can use direct. Suppose if you don't return the reference, for every operation you need to write this entire code. First, recognizing the element, then performing operation on that element. Next statement also, recognizing the element and performing operation on that element. Okay, na?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, good question. This concept is called storing object reference. Suppose int x equal to 100, that is assigning value. This is storing object reference. This is not value. This is object reference. This is storing object reference. Okay na? Any questions, Rahman? Next, Kamala trying to ask.
No, sir. Fine. Thank you.
Okay, Rahman. Kamala?
No, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Preeti?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.